So now it's the time for the Power Pack performance by the students of grade 4, 5, 6, 7 in karate. They are going to show some stunts and some performances. Let us see what they have brought for us. First, there will be a basic exercise by Yusuf, Affan, Sayyid Ayan Hussain, Rizwan, Furqan, Mukhit, Ayan, Moin, Faizan and Mujtaba. They are going to show some of the basic exercises. Let us see what kind of exercises they have brought for us. So first, the exercises will be starting up by grade 4th and 5th students.
Attention. Bow. Get ready. Jumping start. Jump करते रहो. Clapping. Jump करके. Jump के साथ. Stop. Strength your leg. Left पैर बड़ा करो. Right hand up. One hand touch start. Left side knee bend. Press करना है. उधर. 2.
Wow, that was wonderful. Please
3.
cheer them with huge round of applause, audience.
4. 5. 6. Attention.
Beautifully coordinated and well presented.
Sit. Open your right leg. Get ready. 1.
Wow, that is
2.
very much difficult, but our students are doing with
3.
proper coordination.
4. 5.
It's not easy to move
6.
from this side to that side without any
7.
support.
8. 9. 10. Attention. Right hand up. Face इधर, audience के तरफ. Right hand, like this. Give the sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leg change.
Please give a huge
1.
round of applause, audience.
2.
It is not so easy to do
3.
this kind of exercises.
4, 5. All of you go that side. Fast. Sit. Turn this side. Frog jumping start.
Wow, please give a huge round of applause, audience.
नहीं, duck walking. Duck walking. Walking करना है.
Wow, that was very much difficult. Please give a huge round of applause, audience. They are doing wonderfully and remarkably well.
Those who know the ruling,
proper
they only do.
coordination.
जिसको मालूम है उन्हें ही ruling करेंगे. Rule start.
Wow, coming in straight line is not an easy task. So please once again give a huge round of applause for this
Forearms
Supermans
walking.
of Hyderabad
Forearms
International
walking.
School. So they have been trained in a very well way for facing any kind of situation
Umar,
and challenges in their life.
Zulfiqar, stand here. Sit. Submit. और submit. हाथ टेक. Affan. Flip.
Wow, very well done.
Those who know. Very good.
Wow, beautifully done.
Good. Very good.
proper coordination.
7th class, 6th class boys. 7th boys, 6th boys, come.
So here
Go
we
there.
are having Suleiman, Zulfiqar, Samad, Umar, Abu Bakr, Khalil,
Good.
Salman, Fazl, Mustafa, Habib, Ishaq, Bilal and Yahya.
One time only.
Wow, very well done.
Good.
Wow, that was good.
Good.
Wow. Slowly.
One more time, try.
One more time. Let's do. We cannot demotivate them, right, audience?
Good.
Wow, very
good.
well done.
Flying kick. Next.
Wow.
Those who are no, they only do. पीछे हट जाओ, all of you boys back. Move back, everyone. पीछे हटो आप लोग. Ready? One by one, start.
Wow, that was the flying kick by the Supermans of our Hyderabad International School.
Why you both
Let's
are
not
coming?
demotivate them. Let us not laugh on them. They have practiced really well.
7th and 6th boys, move. Salman. Good. Very good. Stop.
Wow, that was wonderful.
Stop, everyone. That's it. 7th B boys. Come with the Nanchakus.
So here students are going to perform on Nanchiko, and the students who are going to perform are Isaac, Mustafa, Fazal, Habib, Salman and Yahya. They are going to do one performance with the help of Nanchiko.
Ready? Start. Isaf, come front. Yeah, go back. Move there. Move to the other corner. Ready, everyone? Ready, Chen. Bow. Now one.
Wow,
Stop.
beautifully presented.
Close the fan. Excuse me, sir. वो फैन बंद कर दीजिए ना. Two.
Wow, beautifully done. Please give a huge round of applause, audience.
Stop. Three.
Wow, wonderfully made with saffron,
Stop.
white and green. That signifies India flag color.
Isaf, रूम दे. छोड़ दो. बस इसी. Four. Stop. Five. Isaf. Salman. Fazal. Isaf. Yahya. Habib. Mustafa. Together.
Wow, wonderfully done, and it will be a remarkable performance by these students.
Front leg.
Very well done,
Samne
boys.
Start.
Wow, beautifully presented.
Stop. Double hand with. Stop. Front. One hand.
Wow, that's looking like a wheel.
Stop. Double hand front.
Wow, it's looking like they're.
Stop. Single hand up. Stop. Double hand up. Very good, boys. Nice. Stop. Give the sound. Position. Sound. Good. About turn. Now move.
Now it's the time for tiles breaking.
Fourth class boys only. Fourth class boys.
Let us see how they are going to break the tiles. Whether they are going to break it by using their elbow, head, forehead, or fist. I request the parents to
Get down.
please take back the students.
Get down, yes. That boy. उनको उतारो वहां से.
One.
Clap.
Two.
Irfan sir, clap.
Please give a huge round of
Three.
applause.
Very good.
Two tiles together. Wow, wonderfully done.
4. 5.
Wow.
Very good. Next. Fourth boys. Remaining. Move. You all of you
So
move
there I
back.
can see two tiles have been
Up,
kept
Jaldi.
together. Let us see whether they will be able to do
Move
it
back.
or not.
Fifth boys, fourth boys.
Irfan sir, please come on stage.
There I can see somewhere three tiles have been kept together. Let us see whether they will be able to do it or not. They are still in grade 5.
Are you ready? With the elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Are you ready? Sit. घुटना टिका के बैठो. 1.
Wow,
Two.
beautifully done. Please give a huge
Three.
round of applause, audience.
4. Very good.
In one beat, they have beaten
Six.
all the tiles.
Clap
Bye.
on.
Very well done, boys.
Zulfiqar, 6th. Good. Tiles का है. Zulfiqar. ये दो लगा.
I can see piles of tiles have been kept for higher class students. Let us see whether they will be able to break it at one shot or not.
Use the clap sound. Yaqub bhai.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Sit.
They are going to break the tiles using their elbows. Let us see whether they will be able to do it or not.
Always doing with the head. Always.
Oasis is going to do it by head, but whether he will be able to do it or not, we want to see.
Ready? 1,
Wow, breaking with elbow
2,
at one shot. Wow, very well done.
3,
Wow,
4,
one shot.
5. Very good.
Those are the superheroes of Hyderabad International
7,
School.
6. Those who are not done, they only came. Chalo udhar Khalil.
Camera people, please take the photos when they are breaking.
Isaac, यहाँ पर आ जाओ. Ready? 1,
Wow, that was a
2,
wonderful shot.
3,
Great.
4, 5. Very
Wow,
good.
beautifully done and with full of energy.
Ready? 7th boys. Come on. Over. Ready? Sit. Ponies. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, that was wonderful.
Next, Abhi.
Please give a huge round of applause, audience, for these superheroes. Now let us see what they are up to.
बदल सिल्वर है ना पलटा के पकड़ो ऐसा वाला शूज सॉक्स इसका भी सॉक्स लेके पहनो शूज ले लो बेहतर रहना शूज कहाँ है आपका जल्दी पहन लो अफान All of you boys move back, everyone move back. Stayed in the line. एक लाइन में ठहरो आप लोग. पकड़ लो. Ready? Do it. One more time, try.
Let us see one more whether he will be able to do it or not. Good try.
उनको नहीं मारना है, टाइल को मारना है.
Wow,
Very
that
good.
was wonderful.
7th boy stand the line for Affan. Affan के लिए ठहर जाओ जल्दी जल्दी.
So now we can
Fast.
see by passing through many of the hurdles, Affan is going
Face इधर कर
to
दो.
break the tile by
पीछे जाओ.
climbing on the students, by keeping his leg on their shoulders. Let us see whether he will be able to do it or not. Let us see how Affan is going to climb on them. Moin is climbing on the students. Let us see what they are up to.
कैमरा थोड़ा जूम करिए उस पे. Now this boy is going to jump and break the tile there. Moin, take your position. Is this the correct position, sir? Or somewhat up? This okay?
Let us see how Affan is going
You are
to
in
break
which
the
class,
tie
Affan?
by passing these many students.
Grade 4th. Now he is going to jump over all these people and break the tile, right? Okay. Now let us see. Bismillah. Sushal.
Hold on your breaths, parent. Wow. Wow, really well done. That was really wonderful by Affan of grade 4th.
That was not only beautiful, but it was too risky. A small boy of 4th class doing this daring act. I can say Karate sir has well done. Clap for Karate sir once.
Now Salman, Fazal, Mustafa and Kabir will be forming the base of pyramid, following by Umar, Zulfiqar and Bilal, followed by Samad and Isa and Suleiman with India flag to climb over them. Let us see how he is going to stand over all the students. Wow, please give a huge round of applause, audience. Very well done, boys, very well done. You are real superheroes of our Hyderabad International School.
Hold on, students, 1 minute. Group photo. Okay. Salman sir, everyone, please come. Where shall I stand? I can stand here.
Everyone, right leg out.
Salman sir, Ismail sir, please come. Ayub sir. Sir, next year we want more flying kicks. Ready? पेरेंट्स प्लीज बैठ जाइए, प्लीज बैठ जाइए. Pick up the tiles and go, students. Pick up the tiles quickly. The leftover tiles. Fifth, sixth, seventh boys, quickly pick up the tiles and go.